The 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, CD changer, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.